probably more small. Yeah, that one looks maybe 4 more at least. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. So,
Maybe one right down here. That's great. Oh yeah. You have actually a hard time finding this flower. For you guys, if you want to bring, there's a couple right here. Just want to go down to the edge of the slope and put them in there. Top of the slope. See what I've done here a couple of times? So my name's James Craig. I'm a retired fisheries technologist, and I've worked in the Englishman River since 1998. I've swum the entire length dozens of times, can't remember how many, but for the province and for the federal government, counting salmon and trout and steelhead. And I live down at the bottom of the river, so it's a special one to me, and a lot of work and a lot of memories. Right now, we are in mid-March. There are supposed to be somewhere between 50 and 100 winter steelhead in the river right now, but recent counts are very, very poor. And the peak of the run is in April. We hope that we see more counts in April of the winter steelhead. They're one of the species that uses off-channel habitat like this, large side channels, and they need 2 to 3 years to become the size they like to be in order to go to the ocean. So that's steelhead. Also, coho, which are probably in the 5,000 fish a year category in this river. They use this side channel, clay young side channel, for rearing, for spawning, for rearing, and it is a 4.1 kilometer long channel all the way up into the Englishman River hatchery. And it's a great spot as well to see fish. We had concerns though when really COVID actually came around. The use of the park went through the roof, and the trails in the park, many of them now, almost the majority, are unsanctioned, and they are impacting freshwater habitat, particularly side channels like this and the banks of the Englishman River. And it's just because people are trying to get back to nature, and we understand that, but so many people in the last few years wanted to get out and get fresh air while we're all stuck in our houses otherwise. And you really did see a big increase in usage. So there's been a lot of dogs and biking, even walking and hiking in the wrong places right next to or in sensitive fish habitats. So this project is all about educating the public to the importance of leaving riparian area intact where possible. And this is year one, hopefully, of 5 years that the Regional District of Nanaimo will fund this to improve the whole park. And they've just finished a report, and their consultant has given recommendations. Now they go to the Park Board and the General Board of RDN, Regional District of Nanaimo, and hopefully they'll approve it all, and we'll continue on with this first year of split rail fencing to protect fish habitat and signage to help people understand why we're doing it and why it's so important.